What's up, everybody? So before we get into the video, I'm going to show you some of the robots and what's going on. But we are on the website, and we're on the website because the Christmas Day sale started. So the Christmas sale is alive on the website. When you go to the website, this is a pop-up. You can sign up. Also, for those of you who was asking me about the MT4 brokers, just go to the brokers and prop firms page, which I'll show you right now. And when you go to that page and it loads up, all you have to do is go to the bottom of the page. And I'm going to show you something. You click here and you can download the list of MT4 brokers that's available. Okay, so y'all can stop asking me about that. And yeah, the Christmas sale is live, so we got a couple things there. I'm not going to go too crazy explaining it here. Just go to the website and check it out. So if you want the fair value gap robot that you're going to see in this video, it's here. The bank series bundle y'all been asking me about is here, and it's on sale. And the upgrades is here, and there's a few other things. So just go check out the shop. There's sales going on. So look around, see what you see, and then get back to me. Peace. All right. So I'm just giving y'all a quick update on the FTMO Phase 2 50K challenge. Right now, as you can see, this is 2 days. We did hit right at the bottom where I'm gonna have to retake it. So I said, let me record this because people don't show when they lose challenges or when they lose trades. It's okay though, because if you're within 7% of the profit target, you just need to hit the button in the dashboard, or you just let them know and they'll let you retake it. So I'll be fine. I did this in 2 days, so we were able to pass, but the problem is we hit the drawdown. We just tapped the drawdown limit. So I said, let me make this and put this in the video so y'all can see it, because I did use the bank series, as you can see from the trade that you're looking at right now. This gold trade and the silver trade is how I passed it. So pretty much if you look through the trades, you can see this silver trade is what really did it. Now, if you were on my Patreon, you saw that I posted the gold analysis, but then gold started spiking upwards. So if you go look at the last couple videos I did on the gold, all those TPs is valid. So all those TPs is being hit right now. So if you follow me on Patreon and you got the analysis that I was doing, you made money on these trades. Okay, so the silver is doing what I said it would do. As you can see, it says SIBI. That's called the selling balance, and that's called the fair value gap. So this gap was created and the price went down. So the fair value gap traders, the ICT traders, y'all got this sell. For people like me who teach the original trade, you would have caught this way up here, or based off the new system, you'd have caught it at the high of the day. So there's like many different ways you could have caught the sell, but we caught it just based off the selling balance and the bank series. Okay, so if you want any of those robots, they're on sale on the website. And like I said, for 2024, a lot of people are going to be talking about regulated traders, and they're going to be talking about prop firms. Okay, so for those of you that still want to get your prop firm challenges, this was done in 2 days. So Monday, I'm just going to retake it and finish up what we started, because there's going to be a lot of corrections. And this is NFP week. So it was risky for me to even do this because it's NFP week. But as you can see, this one trade kind of just pushed us over the limit, because we only needed 5,000 and this one trade is 4,000. And I had closed one other trade. So we there. So I figured I'll put all this in a video so y'all can see, because people do not post when they lose challenges or when they pass them. So I said, let me put this in, because this is me having to retake the phase 2, but it's okay because they'll allow me to do it because I passed. I literally passed it, but because I hit the drawdown limit, I got to redo it. It's not a problem. So yeah, we'll get into the video. I just figured I'll put this in here to show y'all what was going on. And yeah, so if you're taking prop firm challenges, the robots are on sale on the website. Go check it out. All right, so before I begin this video, I just want to show y'all the broker that I'm using is FX Glory. Now, before I say anything about this, I need y'all to be careful, because some of y'all been hitting me up telling me y'all on this broker, and I don't know how y'all found out I was on this broker, because I uploaded a video and I deleted it because Hankotrade was getting removed, and I knew it already, so I made the video and put it out, and then people was messaging me telling me Hankotrade is not removed. So I said, okay, I deleted the video, but in that video I was trading on FX Glory. So the quick few of y'all that seen that ran and signed up to the broker, but the reason y'all didn't see me promote this broker is because people been complaining that this broker is jipping them on their money as far as when they do the withdrawal. So I'm warning y'all, if y'all go over here, right, do not put a lot of money in the broker, and try it on a demo and then check it out. Don't just put your money in this broker, because people who've been withdrawing, they've been finding ways to like take your money. Now for me, why I'm not worried about that is because that's pretty much what all these brokers do and all these prop firms been doing. So I'm not too concerned with it. But I know some of y'all be putting like $50, $200 in these accounts, and if you come in here and you're gonna try to put $50 in a broker, you just gonna get ripped off. So don't even bother doing that. If you put like a couple hundred in there and then you start trading, do a withdrawal and see how it is, but do not put a lot of money. Like, do not be putting no 1,000 or more in there. Like, this is just my opinion, because I'm testing them out to see if they're going to do the withdrawal properly. I spoke to them. I got partnered with them. I got referral link from them and everything. I spoke to these people behind the scenes and set up my accounts and everything with them, right? So they may not do that to me, but that don't mean that because they won't do it to me, they will not do it to you. Because, see, I'm partnering with them. I'm doing business with them. But that don't mean I'm going to run out here and promote them to y'all and tell y'all go run over there, because the reviews that I'm seeing, they've been finessing people. So do not run over here and drop no ban in there, no crazy stuff like that. Put your little 50, 100 in there and try it. I think with the withdrawal, it's a $50 fee or something like that. And then people been complaining that they're not getting their money, but I've been seeing that with all the brokers. As far as prop firms, they be closing my accounts left and right, so I'm just kind of used to it. But I'm just telling y'all so y'all don't keep running over here, because I know everybody trying to scramble for a broker. Some of y'all got software and y'all want to use it, so it's cool. Because like in this video, I used the fair value gap robot, and I used the bank series strategy to enter these trades. That's how I was able to take these trades like this. I also passed the phase 2 of a FTMO challenge, but I caught it right at the line, so now I gotta retake it. So that's how I did it. But I'm just showing y'all because a lot of y'all started like joining up to the broker and was asking me, and I'm like, how the hell do y'all know I'm with the broker? But then I remembered I had a video up, so I said, let me address that real quick, and then I'm gonna just warn y'all. So don't be so fast to like hurry up and join these brokers like that without checking them out. Do not put money in, and it's also the fourth quarter, it's the end of the year, so just try to demo out and see how you like it. As far as customer service, is good, but like I said, I tried out the customer service before I partnered with them. So I said, let me see if the customer service is good, because a lot of brokers don't respond. They responded well. I chatted with them on a Sunday night, which in my time, the market was pretty much just opening. So usually with these brokers around that time, you can't get a response from them. So I've been just randomly testing out their customer service. I've been randomly testing out their accounts, the demo, the live account. Like I said, when I go to do the withdrawal, they probably will not do it to me, but I heard they've been like finessing people. So I said, let me put the warning out there. So just try it. Do not put a lot of money in and see what happens. One person told me that he started winning, and one of the things they did, because they have a huge leverage, which I thought was crazy because the account I'm on is 1 to 3,000. He said when you start winning, what they do is they start pulling your leverage down, which brokers do that anyway. So I'm kind of used to that. I started out on a 1 to 50, so them pulling my leverage down from 3,000 is okay with me. I don't like having that huge leverage anyway. Even 500 to me, I don't need that either. So 200, maybe 50, I'm fine. I know y'all keep saying y'all want the leverage. I don't know why. That's how you end up losing your money. So I'm just telling y'all and giving y'all the update on that. So that is the broker. If y'all want to sign up, I do got the link in the description. Like I said, I'm giving y'all fair warning though. Do not put a lot of money in there, because if you go look at the reviews, you'll see that there's people complaining about not getting money. And they've been complaining about that from a lot of brokers lately. So, and that's part of the reason they've been getting shut down too. So I gave y'all the word of advice. It's up to y'all to decide if y'all want to take it and do what y'all gonna do. Y'all grown, it's y'all money. So if you go in there and you put $5,000 to some crap like that and you lose it, don't say I didn't warn you, right? So tread lightly. Honestly, it's the fourth quarter. I don't even think y'all should really be trading like that. It's really my opinion. But I'm using robots, and this system is for sale on the website, Christmas sale. I'm gonna get into that too in the video, of course. But like I said, that's just my advice. So, because I seen some of y'all join the broker, I don't know how y'all knew, and then I realized, yeah, I had a video that I deleted. I had it up for a few minutes, and some of y'all must have seen it. All right, so let's get into this Hankotrade video. Salute. You already know why we here. A lot of y'all asked me when was I gonna make this video. I don't like doing this because this is like, what's this gonna be, like a victory lap? This is gonna be the I told you so. Nah. So all right, let me get into it, man, because I already know this video is gonna take up some time, but I want to make it long. So yeah, Hankotrade is now offer Metatrader. They were very transparent about the fact that Metatrader would not offer them a server to allow the extra clients to come on to their server. So let me start off by just addressing y'all. Forget the scammers and the fake gurus. Let's talk about the victims, because y'all don't be knowing y'all victims, and that be the main problem. Knowing is half the battle. Look, the only reason Hankotrade pretty much got clapped was because they asked for another server to accommodate all the people that was running from the other scam brokers. Now, I don't want to call Hugo's Way a scam broker. I don't want to call KLT a scam broker, and I don't even want to call Hankotrade a scam broker. What I want to say is they're unregulated, and because they're unregulated, they could do things that they shouldn't be doing. You guys complaining about these brokers, right? Y'all complaining about a broker that was doing some stuff it shouldn't have been doing. It was fun, but y'all got to realize that what we were getting away with the offshore brokers, sooner or later that was going to come to an end. The COVID, the recession that's lingering, the inflation. People were losing money left and right. People not doing good, man. I can't tell you how often, like I just came from Dunkin' Donuts. Every time I go to the Dunkin' Donuts, oh, you drinking coffee? Oh, you got money for coffee? I'm like, bro, it's just a coffee. But to them, you got money to give them. So they ask you for money all the time. A lot of y'all just in this bubble. Those of us that's on social media. There's people that are not on social media. There's people that are not doing good. But anyway, let's talk about it now. Let's just get into it. In this video, man, I'm going to tell y'all what happened. Last year, when Metatrader got pulled off the Apple store, they got pulled off because complaints were being made about people losing money, and they were blaming Metatrader. Metatrader is just the server, right? The broker was who was taking these people money. I forgot the country. Like I said, y'all got to do research. I'm glad I don't know the information, because when you try to quote information, there's always someone that's going to say, you left this out or that part wasn't true. Go research what I'm saying for yourself. Someone lost a lot of money. I forgot who it was, but it was enough that he was able to make a rumbling. And Metatrader is a terrible service provider as far as customer service. I'm not going to cap for Metatrader. Most of these trading platforms are terrible as far as how they treat you as a trader. You're going to get terrible service most of the time. If it's good, it's not going to stay that way. Guarantee it. But anyway, so pretty much they got kicked off the platform. So Metatrader was saying, look, it's not us, it's the broker. So Apple and they were going to get kicked off Google too. The difference with Google is open source, so anybody could put an app up there. But more people were complaining on Apple, so Apple took action. Apple takes action faster than Google simply because, and I'm telling you this as a software developer because I know. Because with Apple, they approve your product. So they have control over any products you put on the Apple store. Whereas with Google, you control your product still. I could go on Apple right now and remove my products from there. But you can't do it with Apple. You have to request for that to happen. So Apple saw what was happening and they just removed Metatrader. So Metatrader said, hey, Metatrader was going to lose access to American customers. They weren't going to get kicked. They were going to lose access. They were getting ready to get banned. So what they did was they said to form compliance, they'll get rid of all the brokers that were doing the things that were causing the complaints. So pretty much if you just Google most of the brokers that got kicked off Metatrader and you look at the reviews, you're going to see that, and this is where I'm going to tell y'all now, something is definitely going on, but you're going to see that a lot of these brokers have tons of complaints in the sections. Like if you go to, I don't want to promote any website, but if you Google your broker and type in review, go to Trustpilot or something like that and read the latest reviews in the last couple of months. It's like, yo, what's going on? So let me just inform you about one thing. And once again, do your research on this. I'm not going to sit up here and try to fact check myself and prove it. Just do your research. If you don't believe anything I'm saying, please do that. You should do that anyway. These brokers knew since June of last year that they had to go into compliance by March of 2023. And instead of them doing that, what did they do? All of a sudden, they were able to come with their own platform. In order for that to happen as fast as it did, especially for Hankotrade, that means that they knew about this. This is not something that they didn't know was coming. Okay, so that's the first thing that should be a red flag to y'all. The second thing is, look at the cat. Come on, you want to come on YouTube? Come on. I might get more views since if you come on, because you're a handsome cat. Anyway, my cat wants attention so bad. But anyway, I digress. So they knew that they had to go into compliance since March. And instead of them going into compliance, they just rolled Metatrader till the wheels fell off. And then in the background, they were setting up all these their own platforms. They did not find a liquidity provider in the platform in 24 hours. Y'all should know that's bogus, right? Some of y'all should have enough sense to know. I know a lot of us, we don't, I'm trying to insult y'all either. I know some of us don't pay attention to this. We just trade. Because learning how to trade is hard enough. So I'm not mad at y'all. I'm not trying to insult y'all. I'm going to come off like I'm trying to talk down to nobody or anything. I'm trying to explain it to y'all so y'all can get what's going on. So pretty much, instead of them going into compliance, they said, nah, we're going to keep doing what we're doing. We're just going to take our customers and go over here. Now, here's the thing. That should be red flag number 2. If they could go into compliance, but they chose to create their own platform and continue to go unregulated and with non-compliance, what should that tell y'all? So I'm not telling y'all don't go to these other platforms, because we all should check out, opportunities. But here's the problem, though, with this, and this is what y'all are not being told. The problem with going to these other platforms is they're new. They're just now getting the servers up. You see one of the platforms, I'm not going to say the name if you follow them, they're constantly going up and down. That's going to happen. It's part of business, right? I'm not knocking it. But what I'm telling y'all is realize you're the guinea pig. They're telling you bring your money to these new platforms to trade, and you're helping them and you're guinea pigging and testing out their servers. And the main thing I should realize is if they're always going down and they're always having to add new servers, because all this means that y'all are flocking to the platforms. That's why they're bogged down and their servers are constantly going down. They have to keep upgrading. I did server work. I hated it. When you get a lot of traffic, you have to have the server that could handle the traffic, or you have to keep upgrading your server. So that's what's going on with them. So you're going to be trying to execute trades. You're going to be trying to exit trades. And y'all going to have all this going on. That's going to affect your trading. I hope y'all know that. I don't know if anyone's telling y'all that. Those service speeds, those maintenance, those YouTubers who are sending their subscribers there and they're all signing up, flocking up, the trades are going to be bad for a while. So why are y'all even thinking, hey, let me see what my favorite trader is going to do and let me give it time? Let them earn your money, guys. Y'all don't have to run to these new platforms just because they are over there. Now, people were like, oh, what about the software? If the platforms are worth it, I'll create software for the platforms. If they allow it. Some of them might not allow it. We don't know if all of them are going to allow you to use software, because look, that's another thing y'all not understanding too. These EAs and stuff, people were starting to find ways to make money. Especially imagine you sleeping and you making money in your sleep because you got a robot running on the market. They don't want that. They don't want that. They don't want that. People keep accusing Metatrader of money laundering and all this other crazy stuff. They don't want that, guys. They don't want y'all making money. I don't know when y'all gonna figure that out. The government don't want it. The big CEOs, the 1%ers, they don't want y'all making money. Like someone told me, we was walking down the street and there was these people in the yard picking oranges. And the guy stops and says, hey man, that's a very beautiful tree. And the person says, yeah, but it's not mine. I just work here. He said, oh, you just work here? He says, yeah, my job is to pick oranges for the person who owns this place. And he's like, yeah. Moral of that story is, if everybody learn how to make money, who gonna pick the oranges? So understand, they don't want y'all making money. So y'all found a way. Metatrader, people was getting rich. We had COVID. We got the recession. We got inflation. They don't want that. They don't. I told y'all, get the trade in while y'all can. The prop firms is still going. I'm telling y'all now, get on it while y'all can. They giving people money. They giving away money to y'all. And sooner or later, they're going to stop that too. They don't want people making money not working. They want y'all working for them. These elites don't want y'all out here. Go look at the reviews for Hankotrade, Hugo's Way, and KLT4. Every non-regulated broker or broker that people were making money on has terrible reviews. And all of this started out of nowhere at the same time. And now these reviews are getting them kicked off of, these complaints are getting them kicked off of platforms. That should tell y'all something's fishy about all of this. And it ain't just the brokers either. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell y'all is, for whatever reason that these offshore brokers got attacked, because they got attacked, People lost money and people made complaints. There are people who were using PAM accounts, people who were having people trading for them, people who were trying to learn how to trade, and the people who was teaching them was not teaching them. There's so many levels of scams that occurred. This is not about saying the broker is bad, the broker's bad, the broker's bad. It's about telling y'all that what we were getting away with, it's over. So these new platforms, I'm going to tell y'all flat out. Me personally, I'm not going. I ain't going. And as a person who is tech savvy, I know that those servers are going to need time. They're going to need time to build those up. They're going to need time to make sure they work properly and everything's going good before you go run over there. You can run over there if you want. That's on y'all. Me personally, I ain't going. So I'm going to stay on Metatrader. I'm going to do prop firms. I'm using FX Glory because people keep asking me what broker am I using. I'm using Traders Way. I went back to the old school. If you don't have a Traders Way account, you cannot get into Traders Way in America. You're going to see a lot of brokers start turning on American customers because the regulations in the country of America are so strict that they're not going to be in compliance. So in order to be in compliance, it's extremely expensive. It costs millions of dollars to be in compliance. To get the right paperwork and everything, licensing and everything. I know personally. So my opinion is, look, take your time, guys. This is December, end of the year. Y'all should be demo trading anyway if y'all got to trade, because what I'm noticing, this has brought out the worst in some of y'all. And I'm not saying this to attack y'all. I'm saying this because y'all need to be aware of it. This has made me realize some of y'all are addicted to trading, because right now is a slow season for traders. Why are y'all so eager to be in the market? NFP week, y'all fiending. 90% of y'all are losing trades. Did y'all forget that? So why are y'all so eager to trade all of a sudden now that the broker's down? Let them do it now. This is the best time, because it's supposed to be the time of the year when everybody's trying to get ready for 2024. You don't need to be out there taking live trades really anyway. You know, if a trader is going to be real with you, if a person who teaches Forex is going to be real with you, they should tell y'all that. Calm down, guys. This is the time of the year when you should be reevaluating and making your decisions anyway. You probably would think about going to a new broker, right? This is the time that you start checking out your options, okay? Now, as far as the Metatrader software, if these other platforms are worth it, I will create the software for it. I told everybody, if you buy any software from me between now and the last 6 months or around this recently, I'm going to make sure that you're good if we switch to another platform. But right now, I don't trust switching to another platform, because the reason these people went to these platforms is because they were dodging the compliance. Instead of being compliant and spending the money, they went and created their own platforms or teamed up with another platform that would allow them to do the things that they're doing now that they got complaints for. So y'all got to start realizing not everything is a lot. Granted, yeah, I think these brokers were attacked. I think somebody did this to put them out of business. I personally am not going to defend these brokers, but I'm going to tell y'all from my knowledge of how things work on the internet and business, it looks fishy. It don't look 100% like the brokers actually may have done something for this to happen. It seemed like somebody pushed a button on them, and they seemed like they were attacked. That's just my personal take on it. Now, do you want to run to the new platforms? That's where I'm like 50-50, because let the platforms get room to breathe. Let them put their legs out. Let people test them. Let people get the kinks out of it. Because if you go there now and put money in, you're experimenting. So if you're going to go open a demo account, don't put no money in there. Try it out. See if you like it. At least you have an account. And if it's popping, we migrate. We all migrate. I'm a trader too. We all going to migrate. But right now, I'm telling y'all, hold your horses and slow down and let them earn your money. Don't just jump because so-and-so FX told you to. Y'all got to stop falling for the scams, the finesse, the okie dokes. All right? Slow it down. So my personal take is, give them time. Let them earn your money. Let's see what happens. And a lot of y'all, it's December. Y'all should be practicing on a demo. Get a strategy. For those of y'all that got the robots, or getting robots, get the robots and go on the demo and practice. And get yourself ready. Take a prop. I'm telling y'all better get the prop firm money. I've been telling y'all for a while. Hear me out. Get that prop firm money while y'all can, because people are making money off of these prop firms. Now, granted, 90-something% of people fail, but for the people that don't, for the ones like that's watching this, those of y'all that's trying to do something with yourselves, Listen to what I'm telling y'all. Get that money while you can. Because believe you me, these brokers is going to be looking at these prophets like, y'all got to get out of here. These prophets going to be looking at these brokers like, yo, we got next. These regulator brokers is looking at both of them like, hey, move out the way. So there's some nasty work at play here. There's some big money at play. Something's going on that's over our pay grade. I'm telling y'all now. There's something I write about how they all got clapped like that. Something's going on. There's a move being made. And if you don't move right, your money going to be swept right in under the rug with the rest of everything else. I'm telling y'all, y'all little bit of money don't mean nothing to them in the grand scheme of things. I'm telling y'all. So my opinion is, yo, hit me up. We got the course. You can learn how to trade with no robots. You can use that on any platform. Get the robot, get prepared, get the profit for the money. I'm telling y'all, get that money while you can. Because I kept telling y'all, yo, this stuff ain't going to last forever. Now people hit me up crying about Hankotrade. And another thing, stop glazing these brokers. So-and-so sent you there because they make money from it. Is it wrong for them to make money off their subscribers by referring them? No, of course it's not. But at the end of the day, one of these brokers had it on their front page that they send money to the person that referred them. If I refer you and you came and signed up, when you lose trades, I make money. I put it on Instagram. I put it right on Instagram for y'all. And nobody said nothing. Got maybe 3 likes. Now y'all all starting to come to me, hitting me up. Yo, I see what you saying. I see what you're saying. So why you wasn't liking the video? Y'all thought I was crazy? Y'all thought I was just some nut talking because I had lips? I'm a developer. I'm making the software. I'm seeing what they doing to y'all. I had trades closing magically. I would go out and all of a sudden my trades would be gone. There would be no ticket. I was like, how is it there no? Because remember, whenever you open a trade, there's a ticket. Because you're opening a ticket when you take a trade. There was no ticket of my trade. I'm like, that's fishy. Sometimes I'd be sitting there, I hit, it would be closing trades on me. I'm like, yo, why is it closing me out of my trades? Call the broker. We don't know what you're talking about. I'm like, wow. Wow. Oh, I got to record it. Oh, well, can you send us the video? We'll get back to you. So I knew something was wrong. And that's when I started making videos. I said, yo, how come? I really would go into Discord and say this. I'm like, yo, how come what I'm going through, I don't see nobody on YouTube talking about it? These people say they traders. How come they don't see what I'm seeing? It's because they wasn't really trading. And hold on, before it sounds like I'm hating, some of y'all I'm not even talking about. If you somebody to hop in a trade for 5 minutes and close it, I'm not talking about you. I'm a swing trader. So let's be clear. I'm not talking about these little scalping dudes who do be making money off referring y'all, but I'm not talking about them because I know when I'm talking, it seems like I'm talking about like maybe these people. My people in general, I'm a little bit salty because all the brokers is getting clapped. Who uses them? We do. Why are we the ones losing MT4? Why these other brokers that we don't be on are fine? Do y'all see what I'm saying? So that's why I'm like, yo, people got to slow down and just start really look in the room, look around the room and see what's going on, because this is weird. This is a little funny. And now you ninjas are running to these other platforms, making them rich. Go watch the last couple videos I put up on this channel and see what was going on. I tell you, one of the dudes sent me a picture of his trade, and they were margin calling his trade while it was happening. That's only that you can't do that on Metatrader. You probably could, but I'm thinking the feature that allowed that is a feature that came from that platform that person was trading on. Cause I never seen that before. How do you partially margin call a trade? And I'm sure it's possible on Metatrader. I'm sure there's probably brokers that do that, but I never seen that before. It was the same broker, new platform, and his trade was getting margin called in pieces. Then by the time he went into profit and closed the trade, he was under break even, which is the container theory I told y'all about. Because you put 10 in, they take 5, you get back 3. Now they say you're at break even. When they take out the $2 for fees, you're at break even, but you still got $2 missing. Then you take another trade, you lose. Now you got $5 missing. So now you got $3.07 in the container. You put 7 back, you got 10 again, you hit, you get $2. 5 is still sitting in the container. You lose 5. Now 10 is in the container. You put 5 back. Now you got 10 here and 10 here. Pardon me. My nails. I don't like when they look like that. So anyway, hopefully you people realize, man, just slow down. This is going to happen. This is just like when trading, when people were using the harmonic scanner and the MLM, and the MLM was bad, and people said, no, you should use offshore brokers and not use MLMs, and MLMs wasn't even talking about brokers because we never do see no one trading. So then people came with the offshore broker wave. Cool. Now it's the regulated wave. Cool. This is Forex, guys. Every couple years, they're going to switch it up on y'all. They're going to keep finding ways to make money off y'all. It's going to be like that. It went from the harmonic scanner to the Fibonacci. Now we went from the Fibonacci to the fair value gap. Then somewhere in between was the moving average. Now the moving average don't work. The Fibonacci don't work. Only the fair value gap work. ICT, smart money concepts. Y'all are all foolish, bro. All this stuff is the same stuff at work. Y'all just keep coming up with different ways to make money off people who can't trade. Because people who can't trade go, okay, that ain't work. Let me try this. It's all the same garbage, bro. All of it work. Y'all just keep getting finessed and regurgitating the finesse. Oh, offshore brokers, we got our own platform. Oh, let me run over there. It's the same stuff, guys. It's the same stuff. Stay where you at and just stay down and trade, man. If Metatrader still got trades for you in the US, stay with Metatrader till these brokers prove themselves. That's my advice. It's not financial advice. It's my opinion. Stay with them until they prove it. Click trader is open and has your favorite offshore broker, 1 to 2 million leverage. Oh, let me go over there. Your message was again from y'all last night. Yo, I need this crazy leverage. What's the leverage? More than what they offer now. What's the number? The number, let me look it up. Oh, the number's 500. How you know you need it if you don't even know what it is that you need? Oh, it's because they said that the unregulated one don't have it. Bro, I be passing challenges and trading my butt off. I learned on the 1 to 50. I told y'all that in the beginning of my career in this channel. It's not that bad. A lot of y'all gonna become better traders from that. It keeps you from blowing your account. I never heard about blowing accounts until I seen these offshore brokers and y'all was coming with this 1 to 5,000 leverage on this goofy stuff when I started trading. I'm like, yo, I started on Oanda. Oanda is like you take one trade on a pair. You're not taking a buy and a sell. You're not hedging. You're not stacking trades. You're not over leveraging. None of that. So that's what I learned on. When I came to offshore brokers, I went crazy. I was steaming them so bad they was closing my trades on me. I went to the prop firms and was smoking them so bad they were closing my accounts. So I'm telling y'all, and I came from a 1 to 50. Y'all don't need those big leverages. For those of y'all that swear that's what you need and it's going to affect how you trade, no, it's not. You putting $200 in an account talking about you need 2,000 leverage so you could blow the account. Come on, guys. That's all you're going to do with $200 and a 1,000 of leverage. That's all you're going to do. Let's talk real trading here. That's all you're going to do. As a real trader, that's what you're going to do. You don't need that. 1 to 50, $200 in an account, it'll last you a little longer. You know, the container theory, you'll probably crack it. All right, so slow down, guys. Take it easy. I'll keep you updated on this topic. FX Glory is the broker that I switched to, and I'm telling y'all now, be careful because I'm not gonna recommend them to y'all because a lot of people complaining about them stealing money through the withdrawals. There's another nasty thing that they did. You have to have a certain amount of money to do a withdrawal, and when you do a withdrawal, they charge a fee for the withdrawal. It's like $40 or $50 just to do the withdrawal, so it gotta be worth it. So you dudes coming with $20 and $50, don't even go there. And then if you're putting a lot of money in there, don't go there either. What I would do is I would open a demo, check it out, see if you like it, and put a couple dollars in it. I am bringing something to the table for y'all in January. So for those people who invest with TGO, just take it easy. I'm working on something. I'm trying to set something up where we can all make a little bit of money. I'm not going to try to get y'all to come throw me a whole bunch of money. And next thing you know, it's because anytime you spend money, it's a risk you take. I don't want no one risking a bunch of money. But it's an opportunity I'm going to come with for y'all to make a couple dollars. If y'all want to. I'm going to tell y'all the risk, tell you what's going on, and y'all decide. But just give it time. For December, slow down. That's why I don't want to tell y'all all the brokers I'm using and stuff, because y'all gonna run over it. FX Glory, people are complaining about their bread. Matter of fact, there's a lot of brokers that's happening with. When I signed up for FX Glory, they had a 7 something rating. A week after I signed up, their rating dropped to a 1 something. That means that they got attacked. They've been open for 15 years or something like that. How the hell did this broker drop from a 7 to a 1? And in Hankotrade, it was the same thing. So I peeped that. I said, yo, something's going on. Someone somewhere is attacking these brokers. Is it the prop firms? I'm not saying it is. I'm just telling y'all, somebody somewhere is pushing a button on these brokers and getting them out of here. So do not be in a rush to run to the new platforms. I'm telling y'all, something's going on. There is something above our head, these YouTubers. And I'm not going to act like I know what it is. There's something more massive going on, guys. So what I would do, whatever your decisions you was planning, hurry up. Hurry up and try to get your trading going. Hurry up and try to get your bread. Hurry up and do whatever. I'm not saying go blow your money, go be desperate or nothing crazy, but I'm telling y'all, do not procrastinate, because the opportunity for y'all to make your money might be gone. I'm glad I helped a lot of people out, because wherever this is going to go, it may go there, and then in a year from now, we might be somewhere. Remember when we was trading Forex? You never know. That's why I told y'all, get it while y'all can, because whatever this organization that is running things is doing right now, they do not want the little man making money. I learned that a long time ago when Mitch McConnell said the average American has too much money. He said that on TV. I said, he thinks the average American has too much money. That can't be good. Mitch McConnell, of all people, said this. And then that's when all this inflation started. I went to the supermarket, I brought a bag of groceries. It was over $100. It was like maybe two or three days worth of food. I could used to go and spend $100 and eat for a week and better. Go out to eat, $200. A drink and some good food, maybe for two people, $200, easy. So y'all should realize that things is getting crazy. So take your money serious. It's going to be okay. It's not doom and gloom. It's not over. Your brokers are not gone. They just on new platforms. For me as a software developer, it kind of sucks, but it's a good thing too, because I get to see what's going on with these new platforms. And if they're good, I'm going to come tell y'all the truth. Yo, can't front. This platform does this feature, that feature. I'm going to go under the hood. I want to see what benefits do they have to us as traders other than the stuff that they can market. Because everything that I see now is marketable tactics. Like, oh, they show you how many accounts you have. You could easily put a live badge on them, on those demos over there. They are very bogged down. They're slow. They're not good for executing trades right now. I can't speak for Hankotrade's new platform. ActTrader, I don't know about ActTrader, but I know the other two, I'm not going to say the names. There's three, actually. They're not that great. They're not that great for executing trades on. But the YouTubers are going to say that because they get paid to send you to sign up there. So, my opinion, demo trade on them bad boys for a little while and let people go and spend their money and lose their money and tell y'all what's up. Because don't go running off the cliff to follow these people. I'm telling y'all this now. Y'all might not like what happens and what y'all see. So, this is just one of many videos I'm probably going to have to make about this. Y'all kept asking me my opinion, so I said I'll make a video. I stopped what I was doing just to make this video for y'all. And I'm going to tell y'all, slow down and just don't rush. That's my opinion. That's my advice. Do not rush anything. Whatever decision you decide to make, do not rush. The only thing you should do, though, if you are currently on Metatrader and you want to like get your stuff right, my advice, the direction I'm looking at for 2024 is investments and prop firms. And by investments, I'll get into that in January. I'll get into that towards the new year. But right now, I'm looking at prop firms because at least with prop firms, all you're paying for is the challenge. Once you get the account, you don't have no money in the account. So if you lose anything, you're really just losing their account. You're not losing money. So it's just safer to me to pass a challenge and get funded. And whatever money you make, you're making money with their money. Because granted, yes, and most people lose in trading. But for those of you that win, at least you're making money and you're not spending your own money to do so. Because you get your prop firm money back. When you take the challenge, they give you your money back. When you get your first payout, that amount of money will be in there. Now, they give you the money back. Are you going to win right away? No. Because people get on here and be like, yo, I just passed my challenge. They act like they pass every challenge. Listen, I know how to pass and trade, and I'll be taking 2 and 3 challenges before I pass. And then that's every time. And I still be losing my accounts. They be closing my accounts like this. They always say I violated something and closed my accounts. And I'm used to it. So it's up to y'all how y'all want to handle it. My opinion is do not run to these new platforms right away. Go check them out. See if you like them. Y'all are putting money in there and losing. And I'm telling y'all, like, if the servers are always being maintained and upgraded and this and that, that has to be bad trading. That has to be a bad trading condition. Because that means when you hit the button, is it executing right away? How could it? See, y'all don't even think about the technicals. And that's what I'm worried about for y'all. Because y'all don't think about the technicals. And y'all should think about the technicals. Anyway, it's your boy Jimmy, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section when y'all see this video. And let me know what you decide to do going forward. As far as the robots are concerned on my platform, we will be migrating if the need is there. And if there's a better platform to go to, I'm going to go. I'm not bound to Metatrader. I'm not under obligated. I have no referral. I have no contracts or nothing with them. I'm an independent software developer. So if TradingView is where we going, I'm already working on TradingView software. If anything is a spinoff of something, it'll probably be much easier and cheaper to produce a TradingView because it's much simpler. So I'll probably be able to just spin y'all over there if that happens. If we go to Trade Locker or Tick Trade or Act Trader or whatever these things are, that's what we doing. I'm talking to Trade Locker about developing software, but I don't like what I'm seeing. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but we'll get into that later. I'm gonna let other people talk about it. I always want to be the person talking bad about a company and not getting my bag because everybody else is getting the bag from glazing these brokers and these trade firms. And I'm not doing that. I'm not glazing nobody. I'm not even glazing Metatrader, and that's where I make my money outside of trading. And I'm still telling y'all, slow down. Right now, prop firms are kicking it. That's where we should be pointing out. That's my opinion. But it's up to y'all what y'all want to do. So I'm going to still continue to use my robots. I'm going back on my prop firm wave. As soon as the ball drops, I want all of this NFP end of the year congestion to move around because pairs are moving very funny right now. Even though I'm using robots, I'm still winning my trades. I'm not winning the way I should. GJ, I made 300 pips in GJ and I closed 2 of the trades. The other one went negative 30 pips. I'm like, yo, the same day. That is so unusual. But I know what's going on. It's the end of the year. So my opinion is slow down. Get y'all demo accounts out. It's okay. Demo trade on Metatrader, demo trade on the new platforms. Do not rush and put real money into these markets right now. I would be, my opinion, I would be going for the prop firm stuff. They seem to be fine. Go to the prop firms. Right now, go to the prop firms. These regulated brokers is acting up because they getting all that they getting those unregulated traders. Oh, and y'all have been showing y'all cheeks lately. Terrible customer service. Y'all as bad as Metatrader now. I used to be able to call Onanda and speak to them right away. I used to be able to email them and speak to them right away. These people wouldn't hit me back in 2 weeks about something I had an issue with. I went up to the office and I was just blown away at what I saw. So even the regulated brokers is acting up. I'm telling y'all now, man, everyone's making a lot of their money right now from the prop firms. And I got something going on where I got some people making some money. I'm not ready to bring it to the table yet, but I told you I'm getting into the copy trading and stuff like that. And there's some money opportunities that's going to come from that. I'm going to probably open that to a few people, not a lot of y'all, because I want to try it because I do not like trading for other people. So we're going to see how that works. It'll be money opportunities for y'all. We'll see what happens. But I'm out of here. Peace.